your affidavit, you say that Mr. Marjan walked into the boardroom with the final results and handed over a copy of the results to each commissioner.
Yes.
A debate ensued.
Yeah.
Kindly clarify, what was this debate all about, and was it occasioned by the contents of that result?
The debate ensued, I meant in light of what the exiting visitors had told us. The results now was finally with us, and there was a winner in the results as per the summary statistics.
So, in the results you are given, who was the winner?
William Ruto.
Right.
Yes.
And then after that result was seen, what is this debate that you talked about in your affidavit?
Yes, the debate was that the results was not to the expectation of the other colleagues of ours who had taken a position that the visiting NSAC members had suggested.
So you are saying part of you had expectation?
Yes, part of us had expectation.
Is that,
I believe,
part include Commissioner Irene Masit?
Yeah.
And what was that expectation?
The expectation, of course, was a particular candidate other than Ruto to win.
There were only two candidates, or main ones, candidates. So what was this particular one that they wanted?
The runner-up candidate, as per the final results.
That's Honorable Raila Odinga. So what was then this debate about?
So the debate now was, having seen the final results and having seen the margin of the results was close. Close in the sense that we had almost 233,211 votes difference between the winner and the runner-up. And so the debate was that these results are too close. Can we force a runoff?